Most people picture AI as a fancy new tool, something to poke at, or maybe a bit of added magic in their workflow. But what if I told you that the real game isn't about using AI as a single feature? The future we're stepping into is about creating entire intelligent systems, self-building, self-tuning, self-scaling startups that don't just automate tasks, they run themselves end-to-end. This isn't sci-fi. It's the next evolution of software engineering, where AI becomes the engine, the architect, and the workforce all at once. Imagine this, a startup where your customer support isn't answered by call centers or endless ticket queues, but by an AI agent that understands context, learns from past interactions, and solves problems faster every day. It doesn't need breaks, it's awake 24/7, and it only escalates to humans when it truly needs to. Now, layer on another AI system that monitors your product's performance, automatically fixes bugs in the codebase, and rolls out seamless updates without your intervention. Then add a marketing AI that analyzes your data, designs personalized campaigns, and iteratively tests and optimizes messaging, all running in parallel, all adapting in real time. What you get is a living, breathing AI startup that runs with minimal human oversight and maximum impact. Let's unpack how this actually works. At the core, it's about building workflows where AI systems are not isolated silos but interconnected agents, each designed to handle a specific domain but communicating through defined protocols and feedback loops. You start with the problem you want to solve, say, customer onboarding, and break it down into smaller tasks: content delivery, user queries, progress tracking. Then you assign a specialized AI agent to each task, program them to share context seamlessly, and embed automation to handle exceptions and edge cases. The magic is in the orchestration. AI agents trigger one another, learn from shared data, and continually refine their strategies without manual tuning. Here's the powerful leverage: once your system is architected this way, your AI startup scales horizontally and vertically. Horizontal scale means adding new AI agents for new features or domains without rebuilding everything. Vertical scale means each AI agent gets smarter from usage data, improving precision, reducing errors, and handling more complex scenarios autonomously. You're no longer coding line by line, you're designing ecosystems of intelligent workflows that evolve, increasingly effective and efficient with little direct supervision. This approach isn't just theory. Builders today are already crafting autonomous businesses this way. Take a glance at AI-powered no-code platforms that let you spin up autonomous sales funnels. Behind the scenes, AI agents source leads, qualify prospects via natural conversation, book appointments, and even close deals with smart negotiation prompts aligned to your strategy. The founder acts less like a traditional CEO and more like a systems engineer, monitoring dashboard insights, tweaking agent parameters, and launching new workflow modules, amplifying their impact magnitudes beyond humanly possible through their intelligent automation foundation. Now consider the implications. The old model of startups built on manual hustle, micromanaging every process, and scaling through headcount alone is crumbling. The new frontier focuses on building adaptive intelligence systems where the startup's brain, the AI workflows and agents, do the heavy lifting. This means faster iteration cycles, reduced operational costs, and an ability to enter markets and pivot with agility no traditional org can match. It's not just a productivity gain, it's an existential shift in startup strategy and software engineering. Looking ahead, the possibilities expand exponentially. As open-source models, custom foundation models, and AI development environments mature, anyone with a builder's mindset, regardless of coding expertise, can assemble these intelligent systems. The barriers to creating autonomous startups fall away. You can fuse AI coding assistants, agent orchestration platforms, and cloud-based deployment pipelines into seamless workflows that bootstrap entire businesses, product lines, and customer experiences. The future is a world where rapid, practical, and profitable AI automation is the norm, not the exception. But here's the urgency. The race has already begun. The first wave of builders who master these systems will redefine industries in software, services, commerce, and beyond. Waiting to be a passive consumer of AI means risking becoming obsolete in an epoch where automation isn't a tool but the foundation of value creation. The bigger question isn't what AI can do, it's what systems you're building today that will outlast, outperform, and out-innovate the competition tomorrow. So don't just watch the future unfold. Build it. Start by identifying workflows in your business or projects that drain time by repetitive cognitive load. Break them down, assign AI agents to automate and enhance those tasks, and design a feedback loop where these agents learn and collaborate. Iterate fast. Measure relentlessly. Think in systems, not features. The power of AI isn't magic, it's practical autonomy. It's startups that run themselves, products that improve continuously, and teams that focus on what only humans can do best, imagining the next wave of innovation. This is the dawn of future engineering, where building AI-driven, autonomous workflows isn't about shiny demos or lab experiments, it's real-world transformation that changes how software is built, businesses grow, and work evolves. The most exciting part? We're just scratching the surface. You have the tools, the frameworks, and the example to follow. The future is already here. Are you ready to build AI startups that run themselves? Because the next chapter in software and business belongs to those who create intelligent systems that don't stop working, don't stop learning, and most importantly, don't stop building.